Hi everyone, in front of me I've got BLACKVIEW A80s and let me share with you how to add the fingerprint to this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find security. Let's tap. Then let's scroll and find the fingerprint. And if you do not have a regular screen lock, you will have to add it right now. So either pattern, pin or password, totally up to you. Just mark the option and then add the screen lock. Tap on confirm. Alright, here on the notification content, it's totally up to you which option you prefer. Just mark it and then tap on done. Tap on next. And here we've got the information what we have to do. So we have to touch the sensor, which is on the back of our device. Let me check it, it's right here. So let me put my finger on it. Okay. And now we have to do it multiple times to add our fingerprint fully. So as you can see, I'm just tapping and changing the position of my finger. So let's do it. Okay. And as you can see, it was quite easy. So let's simply tap on done. And this is the fingerprint section, and this is the fingerprint we just added. We can rename it or remove it and add another fingerprint. So now let's lock the device and let's check if it is working. So let me try to unlock it. Okay, and as you can see, the device is unblocked, which means that we just successfully added the fingerprint to it. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.